The Supreme Court appointed Committee on Farm Laws had advised against the repealing of the 3 contentious farm laws that were rolled back by the centre last year. Member of the panel Anil Ghanwat said, and I quote, "Had the Supreme Court published the committee's report upon receipt, it could have educated protesting farmers about the benefits of the farm laws and potentially prevented the repeal of these laws. The committee report had remained in a sealed cover before the Supreme Court so far." Ghanwat said that the committee's report notes that repeal or a long suspension of these farm laws would be unfair to the silent majority who support the legislation. On Monday, US President Joe Biden said that India was an exception among Washington's allies with its shaky response to the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Biden praised the US-led alliance, including NATO, the European Union and key Asian partners, for its united front against President Vladimir Putin. Unlike fellow members of the Quad group, Australia, Japan and the US, India continues to purchase Russian oil and has refused to join votes condemning Moscow at the United Nations. Biden said, and I quote, "The Quad is, with the possible exception of India, being somewhat shaky on some of this, but Japan has been extremely strong, so has Australia in terms of dealing with Putin's aggression." After a freeze of 137 days, petrol and diesel prices today were hiked by 80 paise a litre each, while domestic cooking gas prices were increased by 50 rupees per cylinder. The hike is a fallout of a spike in global oil prices, especially after Russia's invasion of Ukraine. High global crude oil prices is a major concern for India as the country imports 85% of its oil demand. Yesterday, the University Grants Commission or UGC said that all central universities funded by it, including Delhi University, will have to use the new Common University Entrance Test or CUET scores to admit students to undergraduate programs. UGC Chairperson M. Jagadesh Kumar said CUET will be conducted in the first week of July when most of the board exams would have been completed. The application process for the Common Entrance exam will start in the first week of April. He added that the application process will be online and the examination will also be a computer-based test.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.